Imagine a culinary canvas where the possibilities are endless, especially when it comes to selecting the right type of fish. Using a variety, particularly fillets like the white mullet, opens the door to diverse cooking methods and allows for personal flair. Picture the thrill of experimentation in your kitchen, where each choice reflects your unique palate and creativity. As we delve deeper into the art of cooking, the importance of seasoning cannot be overstated. Here, less truly is more. Utilizing minimal spices allows the natural flavors of the fish to shine through, while a splash of lemon can elevate the dish to new heights. This approach highlights the inherent freshness of the seafood rather than drowning it in overpowering flavors, celebrating simplicity. Transitioning from seasoning to techniques, let's talk about frying in a pan, a method that marries efficiency with delightful results. This technique not only facilitates quick preparation but also ensures that the fish achieves a crispy texture that tantalizes the senses. Imagine the satisfaction as the fish sizzles in the pan, promising a meal that is both fast and delicious. In this cooking journey, mastering the art of flipping is paramount, especially with thicker cuts of fish. Proper technique ensures even cooking, so each side receives its fair share of heat. This careful attention prevents the delicate flesh from overcooking, allowing it to remain moist and flavorful, a skill that every aspiring chef should embrace. Now, let's bring it all together by creating a luscious creamy sauce. The secret lies in the gentle process of slowly incorporating milk, seasoned just right to enhance the flavors. This sauce not only complements our beautifully cooked fish but also transforms the dish into a rich experience, tantalizing the taste buds with every bite. As we conclude our culinary adventure, let's not forget the power of garnishing. Sprinkling fresh herbs like parsley or dill over the dish does more than enhance flavor, it adds a vibrant visual appeal that beckons from the plate. This final touch elevates the presentation, turning an ordinary meal into a feast for the eyes, making every dining experience memorable.